Okay. This is Diet Coke. Heard it's really bad for you.
It's great. Mountain Dew's.
No, Mountain Dew. No, Diet Coke is the way to go.
Diet.
Which is the best? What are you talking about? Okay. But we're gonna try to burp while we drink pop. Well, I'm trying because I've never really done this before.
Pro.
She has.
You're never gonna get it, guys.
Okay. You can go first.
What you do, take a gasifier.
I swear she was doing it really good before. Okay, another try. God, she's stuck. Okay.
Let me try.
My turn. You want to challenge me?
Oh yeah.
She wants to challenge me, people. Okay, I will. That was easy.
It doesn't come out.
Oh, I think I'm winning.
Well.
Oh my gosh.
That's one of those guys.
Who wins? Me or her? It was me, wasn't it?
Me.
It was me. It was me. It was me. Hey.
Hi.
We just got done watching this movie.
The Others.
It's a good movie.
Real scary.
Wasn't really that scary.
It's supposed to be though, but
It's supposed to be, but
not us.
we just kind of wanted to do this at the end of the video because there's a really cool line and I thought we really wanted to say.
Sooner or later, they'll find you.
It's my turn. Sooner or later, they will find you.
This is a French accent.
This was not a French accent.
They will find you.
It was not a French accent. I don't know what you're talking about. It was not a French accent.
Okay, find a European accent.
She's crazy. I don't know what she's talking about. I don't even know her. I don't even know her.
Either.
That was pretty shy.
Yeah.